Hi, I'm Matthew Buzzy with PC Mag. I'm here with Lenovo's two new Legion announcements. We have two devices in very different form factors. We're going to start with the traditional clamshell laptop, which is the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i. Now, the headliners are Nvidia's next-gen GPUs and Intel Arrow Lake HX processing. This goes up to Core Ultra 9, 32GB of memory, and a 1TB SSD. This display is also one of the highlight features, 16-inch OLED 240Hz panel, 1600p, which should really be appealing for gamers. The rear end ports have also been redesigned, so in addition to this more eye-catching rear end here, it's actually all ventilation now, so it's more thermally efficient and all the ports have been moved to either side. You get to enjoy the RGB on the keyboard and the rear vents, and have easier access to your ports and superior cooling. Should be a better design overall. The next announcement's not a laptop at all. This is the Legion Go S, which is a side companion to the main Legion Go device. This is not a generation-on-generation improvement, but sort of a lightweight, smaller, and even simpler addition to the main product. Now what that means is the same Z1 Extreme chip that was in the original. Now it's 729, there's no removable side panels, and the screen is full HD. There are some new additions though. It's not all removing features. There's some trigger stops here so you can set the different levels for different games. It's also a larger battery inside, and it is lighter. This is really actually very easy to hold and very comfortable, even though this is a larger device. And on the inside, the SSD is now more accessible than it was before if you're someone who wants to get in, tinker, swap, and move your own SSD in there. Those are Lenovo's two flagship gaming announcements. For more, check out PCMag.com.